Hey everyone, it's Shantes Epilation. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install your crochet bay locks individually without no cornrows in your crochet bay locks. If this is your first time watching, thank you. Welcome to my channel. If this is not your first time watching, welcome back. Also in this video, I'm going to show you how to revive your bay locks. If you had them in for a couple of weeks and it's starting to look a little frizzy, or if it's starting to look, a little worn, a little dull, I could show you in this video a couple of tricks and tips on how to revive your crochet bay locks and how to make them look a little more, alive. This is how they look before, right here, and this is how they look now. If you like what you see in this video, make sure you subscribe, press the bell for new videos coming soon, and without further ado, let go. Okay, so this is 1 minute later. I'm taking my hair out of the bowl. I'm going to let it drip a little bit into the bowl. It is very hot, you guys. This water is very hot, so please be careful. Try not to get it on your scalp, or try not to get it on your hands or your arms. So, after you take it out the bowl, get your towel, place it underneath. And dry your hair, towel dry it with the towel. This is going to air dry. I'm going to let this air dry until tomorrow. So tomorrow I will be back to show you how it turned out. Alright, so that concludes my video. If you want to see a video of how you can maintain your locks at home, how you can revive them to make sure they're looking nice and fresh, subscribe. Make sure you press that bell for new upcoming videos because you don't want to miss it. Thank you.